Okay, we're gonna regrip a golf club. It's my son's one iron, Tony's one iron, and Lee Trevino used to say, if you're ever on a golf course and it's thunder and lightning, hold this one iron up because even God can't hit it. So that's my joke for today. So the most important thing probably is this rubber vice grip that comes in the kit. It's a kit that you can get on Amazon. Golf grips, okay, by Champ Key. They're as good as Win, they're as good as Lampkin, they're as good as Golf Pride for a lot less money. Okay, so this is the old grip. I'm going to put the club, the shaft itself, in my rubber piece here. And I am going to tighten the vise into the rubber piece. Now notice I've got the club face right up. Now why do I do that? Because when I put the new grip on, I want the arrows in the grip to line right up with the way you're going to be striking the ball. So the arrows in my new grip will be at the top of the shaft, lined up with your club. So some of the items you got are tape for grip. It's two-sided tape. That it all comes in the kit from Champ Key. You got a special knife, and it's got like a hook in it, and this is to cut the old grip off very easily. So you want to cut the old grip off, and you want to clean it very well before you put the new one on. So the first step, of course, is to remove the old grip. So I'm taking the knife, I'm going to make sure that the club is snug in the vise, and I am going to hook this underneath the old grip and just pull it. Always pull it away from you because it is very sharp. I'm going to do it 2 or 3 times, and maybe another place, just to get it started good coming off of here. It helps if you have fingernails, and I don't have very good fingernails right now. So let's give it another slice. These old grips are very, very brittle, so they might start coming off in pieces. I'm going to stop the video for a minute because I'm going to go ahead. You get the idea. The old grip has to be completely removed.